What kind of tools do you need for extraordinary aerial photography? HD camera, reliable aircraft, and remarkable intelligent manipulation. Syma X8 Pro is a powerful combination. Simple operation allows easy control. Electrical controlled camera allows various angles. Accurate GPS positioning. Stable hover function by air pressure, giving you a relaxed and carefree operation experience. Point to the flight function, touch the destination on the screen, and then the aircraft will fly there by itself. Wi-Fi enables real-time and stable high-definition photo transmission, so that you can record every beautiful scene in your life. Under the cable and orbit mode, centering on the subject, the aircraft orbits 360 degrees to take photos. Under the intelligent following mode, it identifies the shooting object intelligently and automatically follows the object. One key to return, accurate positioning, landing at the takeoff point, resulted in a more convenient operation. The X8 Pro gives you a much more relaxation and carefree manipulation experience, high-definition camera shooting, and pleasant flight experience.